What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted. Links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as you can see, things looking really good. Big massive reversal off the bottom here, this big fake out to the downside of this big falling wedge we've been seeing. Obviously we broke out on the daily time frame here, by the way. Broken out of our 20 and our 55, flip bullish on our EMAs as well. Looking really strong, pretty much doing a full reversal V-shaped recovery, something like this, haven't we? Where we basically formed the top of the V somewhere up here at this 150-ish level, and now we've actually come back all the way back up to that kind of area, haven't we? I mean, for pretty much all cryptos ever since, what was it, May? Ever since May, we kind of essentially formed some kind of, you could say, range, something like this. For Polygon, it doesn't seem as applicable because, as we all know, Polygon had an incredible bounce off the lows. It actually came all the way up. Let me just move this up to here. It actually came all the way up. Something crazy, all the way back up almost to the all-time high in the bounce like this. And then obviously since then, it just continued to roll over, didn't it? But, you know, you could argue that it looks as though we are hitting our head against a very strong level of resistance here, around 152. This does seem as though it's a decent level of structure, which we are hitting our head against. And, you know, this does seem to be a key level quite clearly because we have actually butted against it a few times here, and it does look as though we're currently trying to break through this kind of area at around this level here. So let's just take a quick look at the hourly time frame here and we can see what's going on. You can see we've actually come up. We're forming some kind of potentially some kind of formation like this. I really need to move these so they don't get in the way. Some kind of formation like this with the rising wedge, aren't we? And we have actually fell down out of that wedge there, if that's the case. Doing something like this, basically losing momentum, hitting our head against the resistance here. We've actually rolled over and come back down, haven't we? We probably expect ourselves maybe to come back down to the level where we formed it at around 126 if we do see the technical target for this rising wedge do play out, something like this. But, you know, Polygon is showing a lot of strength, isn't it? You can see, if we zoom out on our hourly chart here, we've been grinding our way up, all the way up, searching for these price targets at around 172, aren't we? 170, sorry. And it seems, you know, Polygon right now, it's on a mission, isn't it? You can see Polygon's on a mission quite clearly. It's basically, you know, it's been falling and falling and falling and falling and falling and falling. And now it does seem as though we actually have a... What's happened to my indicators, by the way? I'm really confused. There we go. I accidentally double clicked. I always double click and it full screens this window like this, and then you can't see. You can see on our other indicators here, we are just getting quite overbought right now on our daily time frame. The daily time frame is good to get an idea of the macro trends that are happening. And obviously in confluence with this rising wedge, which is a bearish reversal pattern, come back to where you formed it potentially at that previous swing high level of resistance here at around 125. Also, we've got this, you know, this bearish divergence on our RSI as well in the short term, and it looks as though the momentum on our histogram is decreasing as well. So just do anticipate potentially that pullback fairly soon. Obviously we're hitting our head against this resistance a few times here, so just do be aware. We could come down and retest some support here, maybe at around this 120-ish level. We would say somewhere around here would be a good level, and that would be the technical target potentially of this rising wedge if we do start to break down even more. Obviously, we've got EMAs as support as well, the 20 and the 55 here. So it would be nice to come down and test this as support for continuation. That'd also be really bullish. Or even coming down to the 55 before that reversal as well. But, you know, it does look as though in the short term we are running out of steam potentially on the charts here. So just something to be aware of. We could see a little bit of a pullback in the short term before, you know, that next leg up for Polygon. But, you know, we can stay overbought in the crypto space a long time. And if Bitcoin does start to pump massively, then we could be looking potentially at Polygon coming up, you know, coming up to at least this 170 level if we do start to break this level of resistance here. Look, this like 170 level would be our next short-term price target. Obviously targeting the top of the wedge as well, which we could potentially be at this 240 level, maybe even that 270 level, depending on, you know, where you draw it in. So things looking really good in the short term, aren't they? Do anticipate though that it does look as though we could potentially roll over here and just back test some support in the next few days before continuation, judging by what we're seeing on the charts. The weekly time frame obviously showing Polygon massive amount of strength, holding the 20, obviously off to the races. No sign of a bear market, obviously. And on the hourly time frame, as we said, this rising wedge does look as though it is potentially playing out. I guess you could argue that potentially this could be the rising wedge now, since we have found a decent level of support here. Doing something like this, you know, if we do start to fall out of this pattern, we could be looking coming back down, retesting some support around that 120 level before continuation. But obviously with the market showing so much strength, it seems unlikely this could happen. We do think that $10 would be our price target for Polygon. As we always say when we look at our Fibonacci extensions here, doing something like this, it's well within the means of possibility, getting into that 161, 227 area. But we do think that $5 is a definite for Polygon pretty much. I would say that's a very, very likely outcome, coming up to around this 141 extension. Considering how, you know, bullish Polygon has been in the past, it seems very likely that we're probably going to see some really good price action for it soon. So, you know, today's update for Polygon, things looking, you know, reasonably good. We're just consolidating under that resistance potentially for a move up, but just do be aware we are getting a bit overextended. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each, but don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.